10-month-old Abir has been brought to Karachi Civil Hospital for treatment. His mother says that the child has been making a wheezing sound during his sleep and looks short of breath. After a checkup, doctors have diagnosed him with asthma.
दूसरा हफ्ता दो हफ्ते ज़्यादा बुखार है, सीना ज़्यादा ख़राब है, सांस में बीमारी है, खांसी ज़्यादा है, दूध नहीं पिएगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा पिएगा, ज़्यादा नहीं पिएगा.
Asthma is a common ailment in Pakistan. An ISAC study found that 8% of the population suffers from asthmatic symptoms. The authors of the report admit that even this number is an understatement caused by lack of reporting. Doctors say many patients in Pakistan suffer needlessly because they are afraid of inhalation therapy.
The people have got some fear of inhaled therapy, which found to be most effective. By that way, you control the inflammation which is created by the allergens into the respiratory passages, and by which the respiratory passages become, tight, and that the child couldn't breathe. So once the inhalation therapy, the people are aware of the inhalation therapy, then the attacks must be curtailed and must be, controlled.
Today, as the world commemorates Asthma Day, the Global Initiative Against Asthma has set a goal that hospitalizations due to the disease should be cut by half within the next 5 years. Doctors say that the first step towards achieving this goal is recognizing the symptoms and seeking professional help.
There's a chronic cough, and this cough particularly increases during the night period, night time, or during when the child sleeps, or in the early morning. And in some children where, the children are allergic to some particular allergens, so like a smoke, cigarette smoke particularly, or sometime indoor pollution can lead to the, symptom of coughing. And then at this stage, when the child is not treated, then what happens? The child start having a shortness of breath.
Asthma is hereditary in many cases, but the symptoms are aggravated by smoke, pollen and pollution. World Health Organization estimates that world over about 300 million people suffer from the respiratory disorder. In Pakistan, doctors estimate that as many as 1 out of every 7 children experience symptoms of asthma. But they say that with regular care, patients can not only lead a healthy life, but in many cases be cured of the disease permanently. Mubin Nasir, Dawn News, Karachi.